Gila, hate to break to you, but I'm
You're
taking
recording.
a video. Yeah.
Again.
I feel like it.
No, my friend doesn't have a pool.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Who wants to know if I have a pool?
No, because like he's just like, hi, what are you doing? Are you swimming? And I thought he was talking about my party because he said, I'll see you Friday. Are we swimming? And so like, are you swimming? And so I'm just like, yeah, they're swimming at the pool. He's like, no, I'm talking about your friend having a pool.
Why would I? That's really, really random.
I don't know.
But alright.
Whatever.
This is a typical morning here with us. Getting ready. Dude.
Yeah.
Wonder who made a doodah. Dude, that's cool.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
What am I?
You're a donkey.
Blink, blink.
No, you're a pig.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Frog.
Bloop, bloop.
Fish.
Nay!
Nay. Are you a sheep?
That's ba.
Oh, yeah. Nay. I don't know.
Horseshoes. Horse.
Oh, yeah. And then your favorite. No. Your owl. Rawr. Dinosaur.
Grrr.
That's me.
I was seriously thinking about that. Fuck me.
Look, my doodle pop.
Dude, look at how many M&Ms we ate last night.
By the way, well, a lot of them ended up on the floor. Trying to do a little contest.
Like a contest that we never recorded.
Yeah, that was not very fun. Actually, it was, but then we found out it wasn't recording. That wasn't very fun.
And I got 11, but nobody knows it except for Heather.
I got 3. Whoa. Was there the one so fucking hate it? Nah. You're the ones who fucking hate us. That's like
Slack that smiles back.
goldfish. Let's go look at the one and only Katie. My favorite.
I just want to know why she eats me. I didn't do anything to her. And if I did, I didn't mean to.
See, it's the thing. I don't think I did anything to her. Like, she gets mad that I'm hanging out with, like, you and Kevin and shit. And it's like, why the fuck would you get mad over that? Where's my doodle pops going? I'm still in her tops. Ooh.
Does she have ice cream?
Yep.
Hand me that brush.
Where?
I thought the brush was there.
The brush is by you, honey. You go get it.
Oh, it's right there. Last night, down to Conway. Shit, it's my brother. There's hockey tonight. Hello? Hello? Hi.